My people, they don't send me message now. This one, I not come on my own. No. They send me make I can't deliver this message. Now, why are they here today? And this one, they send them straight to President Nana Akufo-Addo. Your Excellency, sir, I have brought a message for you, my people. Ghanaians don't they complain. In fact, you need to see how they cry, they beg. They say, Madam Aproko, you need to share this matter because we don't know what we could do again. This one a hospital. If you not see, if rain they fall, water go they drop. Water they enter hospital like say, I don't even know what I even use as example. Water, if they enter, and the hospital, not be just one corner like that, or inside rooms, where patients still dey admission. Patients still there, some of them still lie down, even as the water they drop. Now, so they send me the video, they say, Madam Aproko, we need your help concerning this thing. As they say, make a call attention of all the leaders, all the president of Ghana, so that they go, you understand, may they take action. So I bet for now, we don't know how the hospital be and how they suffer now. Join me, make we watch the video. It be like say, in fact, Africa no dey lucky when it comes to all these leaders. Africa, no, I don't want to use Ghana now because this problem, forget say, okay, now Ghana send me, but my people see, it dey happen to all of us. We are not lucky when it comes to leaders. Africa, we dey suffer. See hospital. Hey, hospital, no be market. If hospital can't be like this, then how a market will come be? Because both hospital, prison, all those places where you know say they important. See, I not just understand what thing happen to us. This thing could they do me like say now one. I don't even know how I even feel describe a virus. Like you know the way this corona day, person just throw virus enter Africa. Now so this whole matter just they do me. Nigeria carrying you, Ghana carrying you, Senegal carrying you. In fact, everywhere, everybody just get what they carry. What a shame, Ghana. Hey, person won't tell me say this Ghana. If you not see gold, say they get gold, they get resources, they get this one, they get upon all that. See hospital. Election time now, go dey run, and the matter even reach me say Ghana son, say if Ghana son hit you, if you just run mad, and now so they go queue. If you not see queue, where they go vote? Some of them say go they fight. Say no, na my turn. See ya. Una go line up, they vote. Person, people who not even they vote for self. Where they dey now? No, where they dey? Last time we even check, no be this same President Nana come outside. I'm promising you people 88 hospitals. This one, that one. No be him come out. Oga celebration. Nah, where the hospitals? Even the ones, the fake promise self where you make, they never even recover from that lie where you lie. Now the one way they still they manage. They don't already, in fact, they suffer inside that one. You don't they leak. Hi, this thing, in fact, it pass shame. Africa's generational problem are bad governance. Forget any, I don't know which matter I want give me. Now bad governance because and inside this bad governance, okay, though Ghana again, you because my people Buhari na our leader. For this bad governance. Buhari, in fact, be the head. Abeg, Your Excellency, sir, President Nana Akufo-Addo, now you make me come outside today. Now because of you, I come outside today because your people they suffer. I bet do something very, very important. Do something. Locate that hospital and do something about it. I'm not even. But they say they give hospital people. Wait till they record that money. Where did they give them? I don't just understand. And how come till now? So okay. I don't forget. You know, say them on their own. They know they visit all this kind of place. Not be their level. No be their level. When headache do them, or maybe their teeth they disturb them, they go just fly abroad. Their country hospitals, they no be their level. Check them. All the leaders. I'm not just to talk about Ghana now. All the leaders. Make small headache, just do them. You go see how they don't they fly. And the fly, when they fly, don't be just one aeroplane. No. You see the way convoy they pass for road. Now so for air, convoy. Because president get headache. Now so they do. But when person just, you don't even feel enter the hospital. You no concern una because una know they go there. Una children already they abroad. Everything just selfishness. And if I dey tell una say these people don't care about una welfare or abi una waiting, una go dey talk say I don't start again. No, wetin be the meaning of this video now? Well, una just watch. If only una go talk through, wetin be the meaning? No, check am. There's no other English where you want put inside this matter. No other English. Careless people, they don't care. So I beg, see, now why I bring her out, and I know they laugh, so now they see me like this. I beg, Mr. President, do something about that place. We renovate them, lock them, I don't even know what you, how I want to do it. But make sure say people go check that place out. Consider those people. Consider those people because they know they pick money. Imagine you pay hospital bills finish. They even admit you inside. Because some places said that they pay for the bed. The bed where you go like that, they pay for them. So imagine you don't, some of them say don't borrow money. Then this kind of nonsense can they happen. People still dey inside it. No, not shame. Very big disgrace. Are they very serious? Now why I bring her out? So I beg, Nani share this video so that they go, the leaders, they know themselves, so that they go start to do something about this matter where they happen now. You understand? Very, very important. And make sure say you drop your comments. Anything where you guys talk concerning this hospital, whether you did there right now, even as a talker, let us know. You understand? I go reply now one by one. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, how you go get matters like this? Stay tuned for our next story. We want Ramatu. We want Ramatu. My people, another one don't they shell again. Oh, this Ghana Parliament. In fact, they be. I don't even know what to call them, but they be one season of something. For now, we don't know. The president of Ghana every year they give a State of Nations address. So this one now after the State of Nations address, come shell. So the Parliament speaker come outside. They acknowledge all those people where they present. Those big people, you understand? He can't call all of them, you understand? Based on appreciation, also that the world go see say they did there. As he started mentioning, and so this man just call our lovely, in fact, may una give me names for this man. Our vice president Bawumia, as he call Samira, my people, can't see. In fact, everywhere lose. Everybody just started shouting. We want Ramatu. No be smart, you know. I beg, for now we don't know what team they shell right now for Ghana. Join me, make we watch the video.
Honorable members, permit me to recognize the presence of the following dignitaries in the House. His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic, is here with us for this special event. His Lordship Justice Enim Yeboah, Her Excellency Hajia Mrs. Samira Ramadan Bawumia, the spouse of the Vice President. The last but not the least,
Not today. For yeah. No, it's what you know. For now, we don't know who be Ramatu. Now you now see that vice president. He get wife. In fact, make her talk on wives. The first one, I be the Ramatu where they shout to say the word Ramatu. Samira na the which English I will use? Sentimental sengemenge. This one are the latest, na the youngest, na the overripe popo. That one na the vice president they carry as handbag everywhere they go, empty. Understand? Now everybody don't they decline amo. They say they don't want Samira. They don't want Samira. They want what? My people, serious things they happen for Ghana Parliament. But una notice say no be only wetin they call her, no be only Samira. They shout, they bully, they do this one. Even wait, make una relax, una blood to the hot. Una hear when they mentioned wetin be name Chief Justice Yeboah, when they call his name, hey, everybody start to shout. Oh, they said they no want. For now, we don't know who be this man. Now that one rule against Mahama petition during that last election. Now nobody even want that one. Everywhere just scatter. Everybody they stand up say they don't want. They don't want. They don't. No be smart, you know, my people. Ghana. Auntie Sammy, how far? I bet see my people. This. Sorry, make her with due respect, ma. This woman, she don't too dey for that place now. Spotlight. Now only she dey under that spotlight. For how many? Wetin happen? You no go give our big mama a small chance. At least make she shine too. Only you just carry the whole place. Anywhere you go, this one go enter. Anywhere you see vice president, Samira don dey there. Abeg, Mr. Vice President, wetin happen to our mama? Now my question be this, because I no wan start dey think other things. I no wan start dey think am. Why? Your first wife. Hey, Chineke. My people, I don't dey think two things. Oh. Maybe this man no dey bring, wetin they call her? Because I even notice say Samira nowadays, like she no be this outdoor person like that. I notice am. Maybe this man now, vice president, don't they fear. You know, say, make I not talk some kind things, but I go cool down. You understand? You know, say for this parliament matter, all those members, their eye too they chook for person woman. Maybe the vice president don't notice am. You know what? Bring in apple of his eye outside so that they no go devour am, because that place. Matters where don't they happen everywhere. This one they chop, that one they chop, this one they chop. So if they even they chop, they know they clean out. We they see the kind things where they chop on that man. No, now why this man now? You know they gree mate. But to get fine woman good oh, Chineke me. Abe Mr. Baumia, Biko me I you know say I dey respect your matter well sir. I beg me I need answers. Wetin happen to Mama Ramatu, because we need them. You even see as they shout say we want Ramatu. Me sef I follow shout oh, I want Ramatu. So Biko, give me answers. Why you know they bring her out again? She don't old. I be waiting. May we no be put to shame. My people. Now the serious way they shelling out for Ghana. Ghana for who are make a try speak tree small. I beg, anything when you guys talk concerning it, I know so many of you now go go attack me. Hey, I beg, na joke, I joke. Drop off in that comment section and make sure say you share this video, very, very important, so that Mr. Baumia go fit answer us, because I know say as me, we also want to know what happened to Mama Rama. You understand? So share this video and make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you know go get notified with everything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.